Hi, today I'll show you how to hard reset Motorola Moto G5S and bypass screen lock. As you can see, I forgot my pattern. So, what do we need to do? Let's power off our phone. Then, let's press and hold the volume down button and the power key. So now we need to use volume buttons to choose recovery mode and press power button. So now hold down the power key and press volume up button. Now let's choose Wipe Data Factory Reset by using volume buttons and press the power key. Now user data plus personalized content and press power button again. Now press reboot system now. Well done, there is no screen lock anymore. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel and see you next time.